Salesforce roles and responsibilities. Salesforce has a wide range of roles and responsibilities within its ecosystem, each with its own set of responsibilities. Here are some of the most common roles and responsibilities in the Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce Administrator. This role is responsible for managing and maintaining the Salesforce platform, including user management, security, data management, workflow automation, and customization. Salesforce Developer. This role is responsible for creating customizations on the Salesforce platform, including Apex coding, Visualforce pages, and Lightning components. Salesforce Consultant. This role provides guidance and advice to organizations on how to best use Salesforce to achieve their business objectives. This may include requirements gathering, solution design, and implementation planning. Salesforce Architect. This role is responsible for designing the overall Salesforce architecture, including the integration with other systems and applications, and ensuring that the platform is scalable, secure, and performant. Salesforce Project Manager. This role is responsible for managing Salesforce implementation projects, including project planning, budgeting, and resource allocation. Salesforce Business Analyst. This role is responsible for analyzing business requirements and translating them into functional requirements for the Salesforce platform.